There's nothing like springtime in Canada. And this is nothing like springtime. Good morning, YouTubes. Looks like I'm back to wearing the winter jacket for a wee bit longer. But despite this cold snap, I did get a very special visitor round yesterday. But first, a little backstory. So those are the bumpers I need for Bugsy. Didn't bring enough money. Oh well. So yesterday, this happened. Say hello to Gary. Gary's car stuff. Gary brought me over something very special. This is Dennis. Don't know much about Dennis except he has an old British car. But we'll talk about that another day. Anyway, I need to show you what Gary just brought me. So what did Gary bring me? Let me show you. These are the bumpers that I saw at the swap meet and said they'd be perfect for Bugsy. Gary bought them for his 40s Ford. I'll put a link up above. But when he got them home, he decided they weren't suitable. He kept them with me in mind and brought them to me. These are perfect. I'm just so chuffed. Thank you very much, Gary. I will provide a link in the description to Gary's channel. You got to check him out. And I will be promoting Gary's channel throughout this entire video because these really are perfect. It's exactly what I wanted for Bugsy. He even gave me these big things that I can attach to the back, I think. Back or front. I'm not sure. I've only got one pair. I need to, you know what? We need to get Bugsy out and size these up. Size these up and see how they're going to look. So happy. Thanks, Gary. It's so cold, I just broke the handle off the inside of my door. It's okay, I've got spares. They put gloves on. This bare metal is kind of cold to the touch. Right, we need to decide which bumper we're going to put front and back. The bumpers are the same size and everything. They're not the same condition. This one doesn't have a lot of chrome left. I will be cleaning them up a bit, but I probably won't be re-chroming them. And this one has a lot more chrome. It's like 90% chrome. The bit at this end doesn't really have much chrome. A little bit at the end. So, do we want bling at the front or bling at the back? You decide. That one or that one. Let's try the back end. What do you think? Option 1 or option 2? Shiny at the back, shiny at the front? I won't know until I check the video because I couldn't really see from that angle. Right, I'm going inside just now. It's way too cold out here to be touching metal. So as I say, leave a comment, let me know if you'd put the shiny one in the front or the back or vice versa. I also need to figure out how I'm going to attach these. I think that big section attaches to the curve of the bumper, well, the inside of the bumper, and then this attaches to the frame somehow. However, I don't have a standard frame, so I'm going to have to fabricate something on the underside. I'm also going to have to move my fog lights, which will probably get mounted onto the front bumper, and license plate and stuff like that. I'll make it work. Not today though, because it's freezing, like seriously cold, so I'm not doing that today. Today I'm going to take advantage of this freezing weather and shut the garage door, get this place tidy. Workbench is a shambles, as usual. I need to find more shelving, make more shelving, more storage. But getting my compressor built and getting all those parts in one place, that's saved a little bit of space somewhere. I just need to find where that somewhere is. So thank you very much, Gary. As I said before, Gary's working on a very nice 40s Ford rot rod. That was a cross between a rat rod and a hot rod. So yeah, check him out up there and also in the description, and please subscribe to Gary. He's got like 79 subscribers. Come on, it's Gary's car stuff. Check him out, I would appreciate it. He's got a lot of work ahead of him, and he could also use your support just like I've had your support all this time, and hopefully continue to do so. Right, take care everyone. Need to clean these bumpers up, see how they look. Take care, stay warm. Very soon we'll be getting warmer weather, apparently. Something like... Compressor just came on, sorry. Bear with me. Okay, where was I?